longsword, bawal gayahin. Penalty meaning the head of my assistant. Wearing a blizzard here. Everybody is all up right for my Mr. Assistant. Kuya, right here. He's now going inside the Indian basket. Watch this. For the dangerous part, I'll be using sword number 1. Bawal gayahin, sword number 1. Watch. Kulang. Sword number 2. Bawal gayahin, guys. Kulang. Sword number 3. Alright, everybody clap your hands. 3 long swords. What do you think? Is he alive? Is he alive? Is he got 3 long swords? Let's find out if he is still alive. Sword number 1. Sword number 2. Sword number 3. Let's find out what happened to my assistant. Recover. What do you think happened to my assistant? Let's find out. Apparently, my assistant is wala na. It's gone. Everybody, clap your hands. My assistant is wala na. It's gone. Watch this now. Everybody say magic. Everybody say magic. Everybody say, magic! Thank you! Everybody, clap your hands! Thank you! Thank you, everybody, clap your hands! Thank you!